Pertussis, more commonly known as whooping cough, is a serious and highly infectious bacterial disease. The bacteria affects adults and children of all ages, passed in droplets in the air from a cough or sneeze. Early symptoms are often like a cold: runny nose, cough, tiredness, and fever. But whooping cough can last weeks or months, becoming a constant cough. Often a whoop sound develops as you try to catch a breath between coughs. Whooping cough can lead to serious complications, including pneumonia, brain damage, and death. Babies under 6 months are particularly at risk of serious complications. A whooping cough vaccination during pregnancy is the best way to protect babies from the disease, as well as ensuring infant and child vaccines are received on time. Adults are also at risk of whooping cough. Vaccination is recommended with a booster at least every 10 years for best protection. Whooping cough vaccination is particularly important for adults over the age of 50. And for those in contact or working with infants and children in healthcare or planning to travel overseas. Anyone who wants to be protected against whooping cough should speak to a healthcare provider about vaccination. Vaccinations protect us all. Find out more at ifa.org.au. Immunisation Foundation of Australia. Supporting immunisation, saving lives.